This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Beautiful new construction in Willow Bend at Hillpointe. The York 4-bedroom, 3-bath home features an open floor plan with modern finishes and a very spacious kitchen. First floor primary bedroom. LVP flooring downstairs. Enjoy outdoor living on the covered porch. The home also includes a rear entry 2-car garage for convenience. Craftsman brick elevation. The perfect blend of style and function. Located near parks, shopping, and dining. Be the first to make this beautiful new home yours. At Inventory Homes Avail. March 10, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Carla Walker at 757-652-1414.